Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of internet infrastructure. You see, the internet isn't just one giant network, it's a massive web of interconnected networks, kind of like a giant digital highway system. Now on this highway we have different players. Internet service providers, or ISPs, are like the major trucking companies. They own and operate the infrastructure that allows data to travel across the internet. Content delivery networks, or CDNs, are like strategically placed warehouses. They store copies of websites and other content closer to users, making loading times super fast. And then we have Internet Exchange Points, or IXPs. Picture these as massive traffic junctions where different ISPs and CDNs connect and exchange data. It's like a bustling marketplace for internet traffic, ensuring smooth and efficient data flow across the globe. Within this vast network, we have these things called autonomous systems, or ACEs. Think of them as independent states within the internet. Each AS is a group of networks managed by a single organization, like an ISP or a large company. Each AS gets to make its own rules about how data travels within its network. They use something called an Interior Gateway Protocol, or IGP, kind of like their own internal traffic laws. It's all about optimizing data flow within their borders. But here's the thing. ACEs need to talk to each other, right? That's where Border Gateway Protocol, or BGP, comes in. It's the language that ACEs use to exchange routing information. Imagine BGP as diplomatic envoys, carrying messages about the best paths to reach different networks. BGP allows ASEs to announce the networks they know about and the routes to reach them. It's like saying, hey, I know how to get to this network. If you have traffic for them, send it my way. Of course, ACEs are pretty picky about who they trust and what routes they accept. It's all about security and efficiency. Section 4, Peering Agreements and IXPs, facilitating efficient traffic exchange. Now, how do these ASEs actually exchange traffic? Well, they make agreements with each other called peering agreements. It's like setting up trade routes between countries. These agreements often happen at IXPs, those traffic junctions we talked about earlier. IXPs provide a neutral ground for ASes to connect and exchange data directly. This is super efficient because it bypasses the need for a third-party network. It's like having a direct flight instead of going through multiple layovers. Faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Section 5. Conclusion. A delicate balance of cooperation and competition. So there you have it. The internet is like a giant puzzle, with ACEs, BGP, and IXPs all playing crucial roles. It's a delicate balance of cooperation and competition, with each AS trying to optimize its own network while ensuring the smooth flow of data across the globe. It's a fascinating world behind the scenes, and understanding these concepts gives you a whole new appreciation for the complexity and ingenuity that goes into making the internet work. Until next time, this is Linus signing out.